Jingiakynduh lang ka basaw pusan jong ka Selesian Cooperator jong ka balang Catholic ia ka bala tip kum ka 45th Annual Provincial Congress ka bala sedang mentakas ngi ka kat Sautrik Urisau arhajar Plie bat ka ban sa penkut la syai ka sngi kat Santrik Urisau arhajar Plie ia ka ne ka program la penlong Lum Sinai Parish Umden Ribhoi District ha ka jingadon lang u MLA ka jirang constituency u ba sustina sotun u belong kumukong san ha ka jingpli ka ne ka program bat ha ka ne ka sngi la ya don lang Father Michael Kongan ubade parish priest jongate ka parish hakat ne ka program lawan poi de kispa ngut ki delegates na keleng ka jela north east ki bakentup ki fathers ki sisters bat ginong mi kmat na keleng ki center jong ka jela haba ajingkran hakane ka program na kalyang MLA ka jirang constituency ula ong bakum ginong elam jong ki center baper ki deiban but barabore ka nuksa ka jingim jong Don Bosco ban long barabor ke beim ka jingim ka basngaurit bat ki kloy ban yarap lem ya ki wei hakane ka sngi la pen i ka jingshan bar ka jingrwai tenrai na ki khana school jong ka St Joseph Higher Secondary School bat ki khana school jong ka Don Bosco English School Umden ki school ki badon Hapoh ka dei ka center.
My dear friends, I hope you will mind that I want to say a very special thanks to my teacher. That is none other than that Father Jingiakynduh. Father Jingiakynduh, he is my teacher in South January in the year 86-87. And I got a lot to learn from him. And I remember we sat together and we were discussing. He's telling me that you are at the time you are a very shy person. I'm always like that also. Up till now also. And if I go back to tell my story, it will take more than 1 hour. So I'll not take time because my people also, leaders are waiting there in my constituency. My dear friends, in life, there are ups and downs. Hagajingin kajungi kipiyo, Kajim Kaba mangi hap Jingiakynduh shibun ba ya kijinge lale shibun ba kijingkuman giba mangi Jingiakynduh age jingim kejuni Kumki Selesian Cooperators ngakwa manai kajing kublai ka pagkarpang ipibar iwe nadu ki coordinators ki cooperators paro ki bebang tenta bat ka Selesian Cooperators kathong aga jingim kaba mangi hapan bud ya ka congregation kaba u Don Bosco ula pani keluk sa kaba na kabanta jongi we